Alright guys, today is Sunday. I don't know what date it is. Anyways, we're gonna head out to the mall today. I don't know, check a few things out, do some filming, but yeah, that's what's going on today, and I don't know, we'll figure something out. Hey guys, I just came downstairs and I just noticed this. Ants. They weren't here when I was upstairs. There's no food here, but all of a sudden the ants appear. Yeah, that's one thing about the Philippines here. You could have the cleanest house and ants will just show up for no reason. This is how you get take care of the ant problem. You sweep them up, but once you start sweeping, they scatter all over the place. Now Lodi said superstitions is, what is it?
If they have this kind of ants, they will bring you luck.
If you have this kind of ants, they will bring you luck.
Yeah, because this ant won't bite.
Because these ants won't bite. That's good. Because they do have biting ants here, and they hurt. But anyways, that's how we're getting rid of the ants, and hopefully we got some good luck coming our way. Alright guys, as you can see, our new couch has arrived. It arrived actually 2 days early, and so now we're happy with what we have here with our couches and everything. But now, yeah, we're done furnishing our apartment. You know, I showed you the tour of the apartment and everything like that, but we're pretty much done. It took us 4 months now, and our apartment is furnished. But yeah, like I said, when you come here and you move here and either want furnished or unfurnished, usually furnished apartments you're going to pay a lot more for, but unfurnished, when you come, you furnish your own, you pick your own, you get what you want, and it's yours and you have it. And but yes, we're done furnishing our apartment. Alright, I know I've shown this nursery in the past, one of my videos, but we're going to take a stroll in here. You guys can check out some of the plants and the flowers and stuff they sell. There's actually 6 nurseries right here. So yeah, let's take a little stroll through the nursery. These are some of the orchids here. You see they're different colors. Got Mr. Buddha hanging out. There's some more flowers, different nursery area. Like the nursery goes all the way back. I would imagine these people live here, and this is their little nursery they have here. Got a couple ducks hanging out. Hello, ducks. Huh? Ducks. Yeah, this goes back pretty far. Got a couple roosters, some pigeons back in here. Yeah, this is nice back here. Like I said, I'm almost sure that these people live here and they just take care of this nursery, but you can see it stretches way back in there. Guys, that's called getting a new paint job on your bicycle. They paint it by hand. He's hooking it up. Looks great. Looks great. Got a finished product right over here. Trying. Today's money exchange rate is 50.20 on the US dollar. Today's Sunday. Guys, today's a very hot day. It's supposed to be a high of 94. and there's very few clouds in the sky, so if you're out, make sure you have your umbrella. Guess what? We forgot our umbrella, and drink plenty of water. I know I don't follow my own advice, but like my mom used to say, do as I say, not as I do. Enter the mall. Sunday. It's full. Stealth footage. Alright guys, I'm getting a screensaver put on my GoPro, and I just got to put on my Canon G7X. It's upstairs here at the SM Mall. The place is called E-Era. It's up in the Cyber Zone area. It's in between the iBox Silicon Valley and I think that's R.Eel shop. Anyways, very good. They do an excellent job here. Only charged me 100 pesos. The shop, about 4 or 5 little spaces over wanted 200. So yeah, if you're ever up here and you need a good screen cover put on for a reasonable price, come here. It's called the E-Era shop. You guys, we're at the food court here at the mall, eating at a place called Kibimbap Soul Food, and you make it right there. This is Seoul Korean health food. You can see it comes out very hot, freshly made, back in the kitchen back there. This is Bloodie's squid. I think she got squid, and I got the chicken. So yeah guys, here it is. Kibimbap. Healthy Seoul Korean food. Looks good. Alright guys, hey, I wanted to show you this big mango tree across the street from us right here. And if you look, let me see if I can zoom in. And you can see some of the mangoes on the tree. Yeah, it's this big huge mango tree. Alright guys, you can see me standing up on the roof right now. He's got his little bamboo pole with his basket on the end, and he's hooking the mangoes and pulling them off the tree. He ain't worried about the electric lines or nothing. No big deal. If he gets shocked, he'll be alright. You just scoop them up, throw them in a trike, and take them to the hospital. That's all. See, that's his setup right there. He's got this wire around the top of the bamboo. He's got a basket that he gets them in, and that's how he harvests his mangoes. There they are. Everybody's come out to watch the picking of the mango tree. Alright, so there it is. Fresh mangoes right off the tree. Well, he's cutting them up. Add a little bit of salt to them, and enjoy our fresh mangoes.
It's good to go.
Alright, here it is. Delicious, freshly picked off the tree mango. Awesome.